Isaac na obri ye bo anko na betumi ama wo enkonwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo Isaac na obri ye bo anko na betumi ama wo sa anyama we a e bo no ye fufufu wo peteki nkonwa Italy konwa Germany US Egypt konwa first class Isaac na obri ye bo ane betumi ama wo na beto konwa Isaac na obri ye bo na service ka Isaac na obri ye bo anko na betumi ama wo enkonwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo Isaac na obri ye bo anko na betumi ama wo sa anyama we a e bo no ye fufufu wo peteki nkonwa Italy konwa Germany US Egypt konwa first class Isaac na obri ye bo ane betumi ama wo na beto konwa Isaac na obri ye bo na service ka Isaac na obri ye bo anko na betumi ama wo enkonwa ene ni wardrobe ne dining ne bar ene ni dressing mirror e wo man we mu ane bo no e dafo Isaac
na so enie ma mu nyina mo akwa aba ma mo hye biem e de mo ba ye firi kase eso wadaro ma oba so subscribe ma me hia me pa na wa share videos no ama foforo ensa akabe enkomo ni so de me no mi no e dia enti wadaro ma obetumi de comment na fa comment section wono ye reckon kan nyina e de amamo yenim se ebe fie miensa ni fie nan mu ana ewe ena eye abrante yenim se efe na Aremeyaw na woda tiger eye no e de nsemi pia bonten efa eye yerakosi na ntechi mu ensem no be bre o my Ghana mu e ma compare ko na bokena Japan eso de ne de ba out obe chere se anas oyekoshini oyekontompo ni ene ensem de obeka bi fa anas ho papa apaye na ebra sansem ne ba na anas anye ne de otebri asam ni kopi mu okọ se kene de chamber kene Japan agu ne din hu fi enti won hwe na won pen patasika bi mana sika wo de tu ne ti so busu na nye sika ketwa na asam no twese nya abasa wo court no ena na anu ya court bu ase anas odifo na akwadu a wo de ball na anas de enti a wo de se anas difo no de mu cheche mu baaye e me de bi beso mu e wo efiri kese eso na busu ensam ne ekoba na bi before bi so ba abonten e kire se court no yes ade na efa bi ne kwantwa yi se obebu asam no e de amakene de Japan na no e na videos bi bia abonten a ona bo kene Japan ni buofu papa e no che se mo abi before na manu chokoro da manu dance ni wa mo ka bi no mo akasa no ni enam kwa so a e ba be so am no mo ni makama peda de eche bi de ahye muti e na ebusu ensam de dooso na video bi eliki a e che se ona bo kene Japan e bro mo kopie mo court no e na judges ni lawyers obi age ni de wo twa bo mo akasa na yenko ni nkotie audio ni mo ensam mra ye ba na ya toa enkomodie ni so e wo studio.
That didn't mean. Before, I told you yesterday. That's outside. Don't do that in a public. I told you yesterday. But no, look at the language he's using. Please, you can send that the judge rules. Don't go do that outside. Calm down. My friend, call him to order. Calm down. Call him to order. What do you mean? Who the hell do you also think you are? They are lawyers, so what? Please, yes. What do you mean? Please, let me about something. I'm advising you. Now look at my question. Anything happens now. You see, the other guy is calm down. That's what you anything happens in your life. What do you mean? I'm also a lawmaker. And I'll take him on. This one is very nice. A professional. Well, maybe your campus yourself. But that one, who mean, maybe school, the piano disrespecting your court. I got a time or two who campus yourself. We're a lawyer, we ain't coming. Fuck you. I didn't know what's going on. Small boy, the piano man was disrespecting me. And he will fail.
Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Audio be circulating on social media. Na audio no eba no omo ekeka se Kennedy ohene Agyapong odidi sabe high judge for atem. After say odidi omatem na no oman I really on his favor. Na audio no babonte no Kevin Taylor and on also expecting a lot of bloggers no. Omo enye investigation effort assembly ahono. Now omo ya tudwa. Na court case no since I'm the can say from 2018 uko hoda enti no esi no I know say na wo ho honorable why na because audio so machibi e ba ne sen na e ko ne sen ansa na sa isam no esi audio no mebo a kire so ya mebo a kire so ya
Okay. Good evening, Oman. Michia Ghana for any Oman channel for will be as Yafanina.
Yeah, Biajoso.
Now, say, my meta be as a friend for any interviewer.
Yeah.
And may I call them respect.
Yeah.
Demand the incoming president of the Fourth Republic of Ghana, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong.
Yeah.
On the first lady. Miami Mami Papa be Madame Christiane Agyapong, and Miami boss, lawyer Ralph Agyapong.
Yeah.
Ligati Nina. Na the patrol my question I will say. In fact, me masre.
Are they?
Audio okay. Sir Kevin Taylor, Sir Refraf no.
Yeah.
The ababonti and you see Yami and no cre Assembly Ghana for me patrol. Make an Arameyaw. Ghanaians should put me on record.
Yeah.
Well, say, my Papa Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, Undiatro.
Sanity.
Inti Nyangopo Dom Nemba, Edinachin, in the atro. So, I said, you dear him.
Esia.
Your dear says, you dear him, Nancy. No, my patrol assembly. Oh, dear, one. In the first place, Kevin Taylor, dear Bab, until one. In the first place, what do you know? Ghana for Montungu. Because one, also a caption no heading the city bloggers being Kevin Taylor no my year na. It's never true. One, and your honorable Ken, any Chief Justice, a CJ, and now say a judge or teenager and an ham so. And I said, Omoya Kasa. It's never true. Because I was there. Kevin Taylor no jinae, Krasidi sir. Kevin Taylor, honorable Ken, and I advise you. And not the embassy ever hard on him. You know, that crutch, you know. No, but because no cranny say, oh, Kevin Taylor, it will force a president Mahama now, Senachi, and Nunti, oh, push us a moma agenda, inclusive agenda, the Bebemno. Who say, and Nuntino, Uber try say, Uber Tanish honorable Ken. Kevin Taylor, oh, refraps, sir. Krasini. Show him my you know, substantive issue, no.
Yeah.
Magana Fontiasi.
Yeah.
You see, court.
Yeah.
Once we interview. Be say a couple of days ago.
Yeah.
And I made him say open court. Because I'm a shit and that's lawyer.
Yeah.
Lawyer Dako.
Yeah.
Yes, I lawyer no.
Okay.
The senior, the boss. Oh no, the current special prosecutor, Kisia Agyapong.
Okay.
Kisia Agyapong free one. Oh no, I'm not working in so. Oh, my dear Dincho, no, my Dinko no.
Okay.
That's how boy, no, a small boy. Or disrespecting. Maybe boss. Lawyer Ralph Agyapong, 2020. 2019. 2020 or disrespecting. And the Didima no Nubenya Quanya ne boss, Equity special prosecutor, you know, or nobody animals lead counsel, no,
yeah,
or status or be disrespecting or Nabu Kenneso.
Oh,
Name Pato Shadia. I can't be tell out TME on TME, or ye Jimmy for Crasidi, sir. What about them? Share, your friend is saying, can't be tell our about them, we are Crasidi. What the America now for say. o kasa edidi Ghana obi atem what the Ghana panyi bi atem what the Ghana matem what the Ghana obi atem tribal politics or tribal bigots are foolish asshole stupid you let me tell you crazy
What the chichirim, yeah, chichirim no be antimitiasi.
Wama emu bi yebuafu.
Yeah, what the chichirim.
Isi airtime.
Yeah.
One mayor who say, "Oh, you're smart." Embe tumfuto megu Ghana for any.
Yeah.
Eti Mr. Ghana for si yambo tungu. No kure ni eshe. Asande personal.
Yeah.
Asase no. Eye kisi Agyapong current special prosecutor.
And that's lawyer.
And the can't disrespect me, boss. A lawyer rough Agyapong. Emma, my boss. That time there, Domahini and the tear them on the static case, no. Emma, my boss. Let's say, Domahini say, my lord, my colleague counsel is insulting me, disrespecting me. The West America Chono.
Yeah.
So, my lord, you should call him to order.
Yeah.
You see, that time, Grano. And to Kwan is honorable Ken Amaobi. That first day court into Kwan honorable Ken Amabi.
Maybe okay.
Wamabi. No to Kwan.
Yeah.
It's me boss lawyer Raf and the Kobe. So it's Doma in a year now. Now also I'm not saying honorable Ken case no.
Yeah.
Now a public interest in the piano a open court. Any papa ma man.
Obiani
including national security near the Biana Obia.
Yeah.
A police won't have now you see, Domahini, oh yeah, Papa is so good. Dipa, the piano credit, Papa no Domahini, or yeah, DC man, but he's good. Oh, Penocre,
we're neutral.
Oh, Penocre,
yeah.
It's Domahini. Ebusa say, the new question Domahini, a pajanity. It's be boss, I'll let you not Domahini say. Domahini was a court on the show. I am not time young senior most lawyers Subao.
Yeah.
I am more interest and no more case in Janum now. Or more we are 25, 30 years at the bar. I am now Domaine, I shall say, or share court in him. Within the people, I at you are no array. Senior most lawyers will not why they will be so more. Dear me boss, a kind. It will be an obusa lawyers to be senior lawyers to be a woo. See a Japan motel. You call you to the badge. Every song say, Lawyer Raff say, Kissia Agyapong, editing nothing. Be patrol Muti. And one lawyers no. Yeah, any moment from baby, Lawyer Raff and Yenda bound for you, only momo. And one lawyers me sorry, no say yes. Kissia Agyapong, my lord, our colleague disrespected the lead counsel for Honorable Kennedy on Agyapong. So what he is saying is true. And while Kissia Agyapong started the and crying casa, then I make catch no Kissia Agyapong. No minimum class or can cry. No minimum sorting crying casa. And all then crying casa started so ODD. Sir lawyers, senior most lawyers not to move. 81 way at the jar. 81 maybe boss Suka say who Kissia Agyapong crossing is me. You to tell me bounty money bronze. See you make the boss say, who may have to tell me bounty money bronze. Now, the boss will be on you have to tell the bounty man. Any bronze, America bronze, any Kumasi bounty man. Who crossing is Osako Pokuari. The boss, oh, Kevin Taylor crossing the boss, who go school papa. Then you may have say, whoa. And who kiss yet a beno one more nas, money Monquasi as a Neamudino. And I Domahini from Uko Chambers. SCSC assembly between the boss and the Kissia Agyapong. It's the OCSC assembly that I'm not quite sure I be ya. It's the OCSC assembly and Mr. Nam said me boss in Quando Cointino. Afena, and that's lawyers no, Omo Dosso. O baby, Omo Fennis a baba or a lawyer, Emma Kissia Agyapong or Kissia Agyapong chamber in the small boy, sir, lawyer Dakuya. Or no, or my recording now. Or my in the first place, courts. No one is allowed to record. To record anything in open court.
Yeah.
Because courts, what do I hear the way I go? no mobile phone use, no recording. BBA instructions, rules.
Let's just say, audio never about take grandpa.
It is a nurse and the team. And then in call for any department bonnie phone over here, any woody phone over here, and then open court to be recorded. Next is a most setting agenda with the buy. Because so many honorable candy say you can't say etrena ye did not tema and I provoking you bubefu na to akasa manabruso and you only omunya ready because honorable can nkura na ye di na chi no ya no ya pa but you see na dabia no e wo se wori ahobrase any obuo any die man panifo
sanity
Kevin Taylor ni nyansa Emma Sassani na yes lawyer Dakono Omo Chambers wa doma ini yes assembly between me boss any Kisia Jabeno and you may cause my own friends as senior most lawyers no doma ini from na ko Chambers obia na Kisia Jabi didi almost what or from na ko no mu siesi e wa na nas Kisia Jabe nkura no sa lawyer Dako ni Kisia Jabe ni nya small boy bi so lawyer
okay
and then sa na baba ne wan no omo nkura se ni omo mpratwe bi omo di omo sa omo chambers to no na omo start kasati ya me boss ai Rafael Dabe oya wan say better lawyer Dako yi maybe boss ya call oba chamber ya calling to the chamber na unyambai what's not a radio ni TV so we media lawyer Baby boss. Oh my, I dear lawyer Raff no. I do bet my year no. Lawyer Raff. Not sure case where we the case where or not the case. A case between Honorable Kennedy and Agyapong. Any Anas or ya confu dini or J Africa na boss or J Ghana my boss and ma abrofu unity Africa mine Ghana mine. No Honorable Kennedy or Agyapong single-handedly. Enemy boss single-handedly. Ni a defeat is uncle for ya. Oh, Kevin Taylor Crasini, sir. What about them? Mufu. I know what about them. Oh, so I now did you. What did the Ghana for? Biat. I said, I bet you for trouble. Ghana for any say. Honorable Ken. I am man ruling no. Yadi judgment, man no. Or Mumpono. What did he? Chief Justice at them. Only judge Nimpua or my ruling. No, nile open court. Name the aside rule the abandon. Nina is never true and no correct. It's a new time, no. Santo Quani travel first one, do my any time, no. 2021. And as a Justice Eric Bay. Edia, Ebaya, open court. The same to your choir or mine. What statement? Sa lawyer Dako ni use mo na boken sa audio ya ho omodi apetu abontia omo pese omodi betu mfuto gun gofo ni woni dey see dabi Ghana from bontu na no krabia ni woni audio ne ona boken ena lawyer Dako cross examine no ena lawyer Dako no kan kwase asem kire no so o kan kwase asem kire ona boken emo kan say onu kura ni sesi o wa haiti o shadi o oka open court judge ani mo say onu kura wa haiti say okọ o free court akọ na say went mamba court you are na bibiya na o court e say bibiya na ye wodi Honorable Ken responsible oh my bito nyankopon so say nyame anim no kure Ghana for me pa cho muntie ye muntia asma ye kan no kranko an ye beka ye di atro hwe se Honorable Ken MP moa enyi a wo abobra o semra bua Ghana for onu aba court mo krofo wudi ni Jimmy Force ani mpono onu kata na ni mo se o ma court e ma wo small boy refrap kwasini wo to be supporting wo wudi ni sa e be jino be ka tire panyi onu abobra wabo brabua Ghana for ebua nipa ehu nipa bobo eso na ntumi ka se wo osemra ma wo sukonu masa okwa wudi so etumi ejina nim ka se Honorable Ken ye medra se BB2 ni went man ba biwa ye hodi Honorable Ken responsible Ghana.
And then say oh a very bad statement but say utie audio no a omu die kura free mu e no do say
say people start the question say why they not recorded that audio at that time oh my me na me pa me boss at all me e see na onobu cannot tia kunyam e na wo cross examine no e see na me kokuto me boss and na me pa na church ma me pa cho yes so sir because abrante na say no kind na ya me o kan sa asem kwa me attacking no kwan sa na me ko pa me boss at all because na ye meja o coach wo lawyer da kusu kwa masa na me kura mpokura no lawyer na yo ba umbo bra mpo se me me na me but to be wa no say shagana fonti o se to be ka kire papa pagi say say wo be free court akona say ye hu bi wa na di bi yawa ye hold on aboke responsible etu ka say why na in his right sense no ni bunfu yesu Christo kwa bi do nyankopon o man eti asi on aboke and on aboke draw my lord attention say my lord you see this guy always disrespect me. You are stupid, very stupid guy. We are arrogant guy. What crack to be disrespecting me? Maybe I'm minimi right.
Yeah.
Minimi rule, minimi bibia. Me metroma only one as in class for the paboni for
and you know a whole na can voice no a bear mono.
Yes, I'll be better net. Okay. Question. So, Muti audio, I got a 40 audio. I was a Muti audio. What is our Nabucan Case? Oh, sir, I acquire lawyer Tantine sort order.
Yeah.
Shenatadi. Yeah. And then, what Fuka Krakakona was Lemmy. Yeah. That time, within your court premises, one, not lawyer Biswaba. Oh, you see. Diana yandi. I know ni mama me tribal nyadi papa. Yeah. Tribal comments. Tribal nyadi papa. Lawyer na that day. Honorable can cancel the full uncle slimino. Yeah. Udi on say na yase. Me pese tribal semeko. And I mean the honorable can or Jeffino. Now shall lawyer ni shoe ni hubi. No treat check. Alliance for go. Obi alliance for one nano any honorable can casepa na choso the onya abotre. It's that time my lord. But was sorry ko chamber. Because say lawyer that could make his statement no. Or sorry ko chamber ma obai no. Obe question lawyer that po say he shouldn't have used such way. Honorable like that. Yeah. Bad. Beba cho what you say?
Yeah, just here.